The criminal known as Bouzer was allegedly involved in a morning incident where he stabbed a person's father. Subsequently, the police pursued Bouzer and eventually found him in another person's yard. Armed with a knife, everything unfolded from there.
Get ready to take cover in case you recognize us, okay? Hey, listen. Okay, I'm here to help. I can't help you. Hey, sir, white shirt.
Sir.
Hello,
Sir,
you.
Can you come over here?
I know I can't.
Sir,
walk over here.
Come over here. In the white, sir.
Sir.
Don't go back, sir. Sir.
Drop that knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. I'm gonna shoot you if you rush him with the... Drop the knife.
Sir, get over here.
Drop the knife.
Hold on, sir. Get back, sir. Get back.